imagine getting paid $5,000 passively despite where you live. Now, it's very important that in today's video, you have to remember that we're going to be showing you how you can make a lot of money using this website for free. Now, a lot of you probably have never heard of it, so let's just get right into it. It's absolutely free and it is worldwide available, as you can read on the title, and it's really easy, so we know that you guys are going to absolutely love it. And the pay is kind of hard to believe, but you have to trust us because we've tried this already, and all that we can say is you need to try this yourself or you're never going to know. So make sure that you watch this entire video until the very last second of it to know everything that you need to know and to come out successful with today's method. Hey y'all, it's Digital Money Queen here. If it's your first time on this channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. And if it's not your first time, then welcome back. I'm so happy to see you again. If you aren't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of the family and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time I have a new video up and ready for you. Don't forget to like this video and let's jump right into it. Kicksta.co is our website for today that is going to pay us. Now, Kicksta.co is where you're going to get real Instagram followers. And we know that it's real because of all of the large companies that have been featured on it. We have Forbes, for example. Now, this website doesn't actually get you followers by purchasing them. Instead, you're going to look for profiles that are actually the same as yours, and their followers might be interested in your type of content as well. Now, what happens is that usually Kicksta does all of that work for you. The website is going to like posts from people who follow profiles that are alike with yours on your behalf. So, to get a lot of exposure, all you have to do is add like profiles that are relevant, and in this way, people are going to see you in their notifications, and chances are you're just going to want to follow them back because they're not going to be following pages that are the same as yours and engage with similar audiences. So, some of those people, they actually follow back. Now, it's not really guaranteed that they will, but, as long as you do post high quality content then on a regular basis, then you are definitely going to come out successful. So don't even worry about that. You're not going to be paying anything because we mentioned that it is a free strategy. Now, what exactly are we doing here? Okay, how are we going to get paid? So what we're going to be doing is promoting as an affiliate. Now, don't be fooled. This website is actually a really high paying website on the internet. We're going to show you how you can find targeted audience and traffic, and you now have to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on affiliates right here. And basically, this is where you're going to sign up as an affiliate, and when you do, you're going to be given an affiliate, and every time someone signs up using your link, you're going to get paid. To the newcomers, where are y'all from? I would love to know. Comment it down below so I can use it as reference for my future videos as well. Now let's continue. So how much are you going to pay? So check out the website below, okay? And you're going to see that it offers a 50% commission. This is why we said that it pays really good. This is a very good site in terms of affiliate marketing. In a lot of the websites, you're very lucky to even earn 30%. So just imagine you're earning 50%, which is crazy. Now, in case you're just not really familiar with affiliate marketing, this means that 50% commission is going to go to you. You're going to get to keep half of the money that a customer is going to pay once you refer to them here, which is absolutely huge. Now, besides that, there are also some really great features like a 45-day cookie lifespan and 100% timely payouts. And with that, you're always going to be paid on time. Now there are also monthly newsletters with cool features and deals that are always available. You're gonna be given bonuses and you're gonna be paid more money, which is just amazing. And you're gonna be able to work with an affiliate management team. And all of these features are really great, and you can read even some testimonials and some facts at the bottom of the page, but we don't need to go all over them, okay? Instead, we actually want to show you how much money we're gonna be making and what we're talking about. And since we said a 50% commission is absolutely useless if you're being paid low, we're gonna show you how much money we're talking about. As you can see on the pricing, they have two pricing plans, standard and premium, which costs $49 and $99. So if someone chooses the standard plan, you're gonna get $25, which is, honey, a very decent amount of money for one customer. And that's not even the premium plan rep. Imagine if you get 100 people to sign up for the standard plan and literally leave the premium one out. Like, it doesn't even matter. 100 people on the standard plan, that's $2,500, which is a huge amount of money. And we're also going to show you a traffic source that's going to help you reach more than 100 people out there. Now, we have to mention, though, that it's a fantastic feature. That is that this website, it has a 14-day money-back guarantee. And it's in a way that people don't actually want to give away their money in this manner, right? Which is why you're going to tell them there's a 14-day money-back guarantee, which means they're most likely going to give Kicksta a try when they know that it's going to help them and they can get their money back if they don't like it. You know, it can assure them that they are going to want to continue using it, and then they're just going to pay more money. To get started as an affiliate, all you have to do is go over here, click on sign up, enter in your first and your last name, your email address, and simply come over here, and then you're going to complete this captcha by clicking on I'm not a robot. Check this box and then click on sign up now to create your brand new account. If you're liking this video so far, then I suggest that you give me a 2 thumbs up before the video ends later on, so that I'll know you reached this part of the video. And subscribe if you still aren't subscribed to join the family. Now let's get back into the video. Now, let's go ahead and show you how to drive the traffic to your affiliate. Google actually is very handy. It comes in handy. What you're gonna do is you are going to look for a city or a town or a business. For example, it could be gyms in a city or whatever, or a store of some kind. Any business really in any town or a city that you can think of, literally anywhere on this planet. Now we've decided to look for bars in New York, and as soon as you search for a business type, you're going to want to scroll down and click on view. And this is going to show you all of the bars in New York or whatever it is you're searching for. And as you can see, there are a lot of them, and you can just really choose any one and click on it. And the next step is to actually visit their website, and you're gonna find that on like the information, okay? That's obviously gonna take you to their website, and it's on their website where you're gonna see if they have any like social media accounts. And a lot of the businesses today, they do have social media because they do understand like the value and importance of marketing. And the information about their social media account you can actually find at the bottom or the top or the side of their page. It depends on the website, but you can literally just check and really look around to discover it. Now, all you have to do is click on Instagram to get there. Not all of the businesses do have Instagram accounts though, and the number of them that will do, they usually have like an email or something like that. Anyway, don't focus on that though. If they don't have an Instagram account, just move on to the next one. The second thing that you want to remember is until you find it, okay, find the one that has an Instagram account. Don't go to the one that has a lot of followers. That's not going to help you. Look for the ones with very minimal followers, because they're the ones who's going to really accept Kicksta and who will consider it. So what you want to do, contact these people. Tell them that there's a website that's going to help them increase their number of followers for very, very cheap. Tell them that gaining more followers is going to help them look more appealing to a lot of potential customers. You know, that's going to give them more sales, more publicity. And while most businesses today have Instagram accounts, not a lot of them actually have a big number of followers. and they don't really know how social media marketing, online marketing works. Now, they would think that this would be a great opportunity to boost for followers, and in turn, they're gonna get sales. So, for business owners, this is actually a great offer, as most established businesses have actually bigger business and a lot of money spare. So, this is exactly why they are the just it customers. So, businesses require followers, and Kicksta is going to do that for them. All you need to do is bring them to the site, and you're going to get paid. And these businesses you refer to, they're going to gain followers, increasing the number of customers that they're going to get. So, literally, it's a win-win situation for everybody. And you can do this over and over again, and that is basically everything. Thanks for watching, y'all. I hope you enjoyed today's video because I definitely enjoyed discovering and creating it. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel before clicking off because my next video is going to be awesome and you wouldn't want to miss that. Please give me 2 thumbs up to show me your love and hit the